Irish twin town is filled with cod hens won from the fact that smoke is neath fire's firstborn son. Nor the river bridge rail cast lines some to the water road below. And confusion of mind is all I know, to blow the wind through the trees. 'Cause every blind man more than eyesight sees. Every blind man more than eyesight sees. I'm ruling out measure, and I'm slow circling round. My words in the dust by every reader found, written in his or her word and hand. Prodigal returns are all homestead bounds, to fall by sown patched knees. Every blind man more than sighted one sees. I read by candle and I read by lamp. The same book, different, translated, revamped, and all across preamble. The ships that cross the bay are painted what's there by the word weave landscape. We are wearing Marrowmont sandals, cobbled night and day by the same smith, chewing wordless say. But once or twice I'm a man of consequence, preordained thrice by water and flame. There ain't no place where from I came to put things in order. 10 leagues south of the least north border, by most better men owe his wheel to the now and then, yesterday and morrowed. I'm a man of perfect chaos, preordained second. By night false led, by day insurrected, unexpected, and by none there led. Cause I'm ruling out measure and I'm slow circling round. My words in the dust by every reader found, written in his or her hand. Prodigal returns are all homestead bound, to fall the sown patch knees. 'Cause every blind man more than the sighted one sees. And I'm a man of perfect chaos, preordained second. By night false led, by day insurrected, unexpected, and by none there led. Peace is all we need instead of what we have before us. We can get through this, all of us together, and a new day to dawn.